It's not easy to be a content creator, and you are also the cameraman. Bagger. All right, this is the ginger muffin on its own. Oh, the muffin is rising. It's in my oven. I can see it from here. My husband is gonna be very happy. He's got some snack when he wake up today. Oops. I have to move the chair. It's blocking my way. I don't want to fall. You know, when people are all there, their bones get very fragile. Their focus is ragged. And I want to make sure that my workspace is clear all the time. I'm not as young spring chicken. I'm 72 years old. Thanks the Lord. You know, I'm still here. People my age is already struggling, and I am very healthy conscious, and I still want to do a lot of things in my life. So this is the cake or muffin. Okay, I'll use the other tin. Okay. It's so fun cooking. Oh, I might have to use a bigger one, but that's okay. If it doesn't fit here, I'll use another one. I have a few of this. I love cooking. You have a good day, and I'm making my husband a beautiful ginger muffin, flavor muffin. He loves ginger flavor food. Take good care of the people around you, whether you love them or you don't love them. Everybody, every human being complement each other presence in the landscape. Nobody can live alone. If you can love a stranger, you can give love to your own brothers and sisters, mothers and fathers. If you can love a dog, you can love your mother and father and your brothers and sisters, and give respect if you can. Alright? Take good care. The world is not really that big. You acknowledge the people around you, because in times of trouble, they're the first one who will pick you up and take you to the doctor or the hospital, or even call an ambulance for you. So think about it. Put yourself in other people's shoes. Have a good day. I have to continue baking my husband's cake, ginger cake or muffin.